public service announcement, man. Your boy been killing these markets, man. Not only me, my wife, people on the gram, the community being eaten. You know what I'm saying? I feel good about it. So check out this trade that I did yesterday. And just like that, baby. Trade was crazy, right? I bet you're trying to figure out how I did it. Well, look, I'm gonna show you all the different ways I do it in this video. I'm gonna be live trading. I'm giving you all the settings. I'm doing all that, man. All glory to God, man, for just allowing us to be here. I ain't got nothing to sell you. I'm just gonna give you sauce because I want you to win. We all gonna eat. That's the motto, man. So, Lego. Yo, so real quick, we're gonna go over the settings again. Like I said, y'all said y'all really love this setup, so I went back to it for y'all. And I only got my balance covered up right now because I didn't want to reveal the ending balance until y'all watch the video. So that's why I got it covered up right now so y'all can see the whole thing. But here we go. All right, so for those of you who don't got these settings, you will have a little piece up here. You can click that, click the 2 charts. That way you can get your 2 charts. All right, you want to make sure that you know, OTC pairs are the ones that does 15 seconds. So if you have a flag on yours, you want to click that. All right, and then you can go down like that to 15 seconds. All right, you got that? 15 seconds right there. All right, real quick after that, you want to make sure you got your zigzag. So you can click this 3 dots, click this middle. All right, then scroll all the way down till you get your zigzags. And that's right there. The first zigzag, like I said, is gonna be 5, 12, and 3. Styles, you wanna do the forward PX. All right, 5, 12, and 3. The next one, like I said, is 1, 1, 1. Styles, 2 PX. All right, your stochastic, you want this one to be 25, 6, and 5. EMA, 96, and 6. All right. Like I said, these are not my settings. I did get this from Cashmere, just to throw that out there. You know what I mean? So these are not, I did not come up with this part, these settings. All right, so Bank of America, you know, you wanna make sure these both say the same thing. Your EMA, 200 EMA. And this is actually mine. I added this 200 EMA just so, you know, I can have that. So boom. Keltner channel, 20, 10, and 2. Styles, you know, you keep that the same. And then don't worry about this stochastic. I should just take that off because I don't even need that over there. And so that's pretty much the entire setup of how I got it, so y'all can follow along whenever y'all are doing this. Yo, so right now, you know, I'm going through different pairs to see which one I want to trade. You know, usually I'm looking for the best setups. Like I said, I'm always looking for the stochastic to be overbought, oversold, or heading to overbought, oversold. I'm looking for the candles to be, you know, above or below the 200, letting me know which way the trend is. And I'm also looking for the candles to be close top or the bottom of the Keltner channel. And so when I find that setup, then that's when I start executing my trades. So right now, you know, you'll see me looking at the Caterpillar trade, which you see right now, the stochastic is headed to the 96. And so that's why I took this trade, because I could see that it was clearly heading up. And so I took the trade, right? And I'm trading in the direction of the candle, right? So I got about 3 seconds left. 2, 1, boom. All right, you can see I made profit on that. I already placed a trade before on Apple and won that earlier. Then I started recording after that. And so from here, I'm still gonna try to trade in the same direction of the candle because I see that it's a bullish candle, right? It's already shooting up. The stochastic is letting me know that it's still trying to reach the highest point. And so I'm gonna continue to trade in that same direction. And so I enter another trade right here. Okay. And so that's pretty much like what it is with the one candlestick. You just trading in the direction of the candle, but making sure all of your confirmations line up. When they line up, it's money in the bank. This one I barely won. Like it caught at the last second and I barely won that one, but I won. You know what I'm saying? And you can see all three of those wins. And if I scroll down, you will be able to see all of the wins that I did there. All right, so, you know, non-stop killing on 15 seconds. And like I was telling people all the time, man, this pocket options, man, is really a blessing. Like, you don't have to spend as much time on the charts. You really don't have to analyze too much. You know what I'm saying? And so that's what it's looking like. This trade, this next trade, right now, I'm just looking, like I said, I'm just looking at the pairs that I'm trying to get in. This one has a lot of wicks on it, so I try to stay away from those because there's gonna be a lot of in and out. So if you see a lot of wicks on the candles, sometimes it's not that good. Sometimes it can, it'll work in your favor, but I'm just looking for clear signs that I want to get in. Right? If I don't see them, I don't trade them. So I just continue to go through, you know, different pairs until I find that perfect setup that I like, and then I hop in on one. But right now, not really seeing too much. I end up clicking on this Alcoa Incorporated. I saw the stochastic was fairly high, you know, looking like it was coming down. The candles were above the Keltner channel, pushing down. And so I decided to sell on this one. All right. So that's why I originally sold on this pair right here. It was in and out. And I think I lost this one right here. Yeah, so I end up losing that one, right? And so at this point, all right, I'm going to a different pair to see what else I can see. And that's what I be trying to tell y'all, like, don't stick on one pair too long, you know what I'm saying? You keep going till you find another pair. So then we come over here to this Nord nickel. I see the momentum of the candle is already going up. If you look at the stochastic, it's headed up. But what I want to do is catch the retracement of it. So since the candle's already big and the momentum is pushing in the direction, I want to sell at the very top. And then once the candle rejects down, then that's when I get my money. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see, I wait till it push up to what I believe is highest point, and then I'll hop in on multiple sales at the top of it. And so this is the trade that you're about to see now. When I let it push, I hop in, and I may hop in on a couple. And then as you can see, once it starts to retrace, I may hop in on another one, and it gives you that retracement. And then from there, I won 1, 2, and then the last one, boom, they gave me that one too. So you get all three of them, all three of them. You see how that works? The retracement. So you can always catch the retracement on a buy or a sell, depending on the candle. If the candle's green, you can catch that retracement on the sell. If it's already red, you can buy and catch that rejection. Also, if you look at the candles, it's a lot of wicks, so I could tell it was gonna reject in that area. And so that was another reason why I sold right there instead of bought. You know, so it can work either way. All right. And so these is things that you guys will learn over time. But like I said, it's a money maker, man. People eating off of this, and you know, we're gonna continue to grow every single day. You did. And so yeah, I saw this one was looking juicy, the same one on a buy. So I decided to hop in on a buy. Figured it would try to push up, but it started rejecting on me. And so I didn't place any more trades on this one. I just took that small L, you know, dropped your boy back down to 1951. So I decided to go look for another pair to see if I could find a better setup. Certain ones I enter a lot of, certain ones I don't. You know what I'm saying? So this one was looking pretty good. Stochastic was high. The candles was outside of the Keltner, but I just wasn't too confident in that one, so I had to switch. I wasn't liking this one. American Express had too many wicks, so we go to Bank of America. And then I see something here, I believe. Stochastic is pushing up. You know, the candles still are above. And so this is what we're looking at right now. And if I don't see nothing here, you know, we just got to keep it moving. You can see me right here changing the milliseconds to make sure I got the lowest millisecond possible so that it reduces the lag. And then from here, I'm just looking to see where I want to enter. Like I said, the candles are above the 200. So I know we're going up. The stochastic is headed towards the 96. So that lets me know we're going up. And so I decided to enter one. And then I saw how juicy it was looking. So I start entering more positions on this thing, man. As you'll be able to see. So I got one in the bag. The first one, I got that one in the bag. The second one was looking like it was trying to play me, and then it started going in profit, dipping in and out. So I started entering in more because I believed in the candle and believed where it was going. I think I lost that one. So I just entered in a bunch of them just because I believed the direction that it was going, right? Because of everything was aligning up. It was just showing me that it was a pullback. And so, as you can see, I entered in a few positions on this one and we won them, right? And that's how I got to the 22.19. You know what I'm saying? And I think it said I made like, what, $500 and something for the day. So I start going through showing y'all, you know, a couple of losses, more wins than losses. And, you know, we constantly flipping the count on 15 seconds. And that's how it's done, y'all. This is, I mean, it's that simple. It's really that simple. It's nothing too technical, like with Forex that you got to do. Like, I literally, like, look at this, $528 trading profit. You know what I'm saying? And it was only like 6 in the morning. You know what I mean? So, hey, it can be done. We go down here and I'll show you the history from yesterday. I mean, from today and yesterday. So 1700 between today and yesterday. You know, less than what, 15 minutes of work. 1700, less than 15 minutes, less than probably 10 minutes, honestly. It's just crazy. It's crazy.